श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। ओम निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवंदनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसंग्रहः. So we saw this vyapti. For vyapti we saw the lakshana sahacharya nimo vyapti. For sahacharya we said samanadhikaranya. For niyama we said niyata. Nyatatve sati samanadhikaranyam vyaptitvam, like that we said. Then after explaining that, he is coming to Purvapaksha vyapti. Iyanstu iyam anvaya vyaptihi siddhanta anusarena. Siddhanta anusara, with respect to the siddhanta, anvaya vyapti is explained here. Now Purvapaksha vyapti, what is Purvapaksha vyapti? Now we enter into the Purvapaksha vyapti, which is one of the important vyapti. See, vyapti is a very important subject, and that is why after this they go to study, after Nyaya Bodhini they study Nyaya Siddhanta Muktavali, Karikavali with some tikas. Then they go on to study Panchalakshmi, Purvapaksha vyapti again, 5 different vyaptis. Then they go to study Siddhanta Lakshana, Siddhanta Panchalakshana, that is. So, to understand the Nyaya language, this definition of Vyapti is one of the key teaching. Sadhya bhava vadavrutitvam. Sadhya bhavad avrutitvam vyapti. We saw this long back. Sadhya bhavad avrutitvam vyapti in Pratyaksha. In the beginning portion we saw this Sadhya bhavad avrutti vyapti when we said, probably when we discussed the 3 doshas, ativyapti, avyapti, asambhava doshas. Okay, Sadhya bhavad avrutitvam. Now this can be rephrased. Sadhya bhava what I will say, what is that which has sadhya bhava, means adhikarana. Sadhya bhava adhikarana nirupita. Sadhya bhava adhikarana nirupita bhavat vruttitva avrutitvam. For avrutitva I will say vruttitva bhava. Sadhya bhavat I said sadhya bhava adhikarana. Sadhya bhavat I said sadhya bhava adhikarana nirupita. Sadhya bhava adhikarana nirupita. Vruttitva I rephrased it as vruttitva bhava. Sadhya bhavat avrutitvam is sadhya bhava adhikarana nirupita vruttitva bhava. This is the definition for vyapti. So we have to fit this vyapti in sadhetu, and asadhetu. If this definition of vyapti fits in sadhetu, there is no problem. If it does not fit in sadhetu, there is avyapti dosha. Okay? If it fits in sadhetu, it is a perfect definition. If it does not fit in sadhetu, it is avyapti dosha grasta. Now, in asadhetu, if it does not fit, it is perfect lakshana. If it fits in asadhetu, it is called ativyapti dosha. Okay? 2 hetu, sadhetu and asadhetu. Sadhetu is correct hetu, asadhetu is wrong hetu. Hetu is cause, the reason which you give. So if it fits the right reason, then the definition is right. If it does not fit in right reason, then the definition is avyapti dosha grasta. If it does not fit in wrong reason, then it is correct definition. If it fits in wrong reason, then it is Ativyapti Doshagrasta. Okay? This is how we understand. Now, Sadhetu and Asadhetu we know. What is Sadhetu? We'll take Sadhetu in the current topic of discussion is, which is Parvato Vandiman. Parvato Vandiman. We want to prove Parvata is endowed with fire. Because of water? Because of smoke. The reason we give is smoke. Sadhetu. Parvato Vanniman Dhumat. This is the Hetu. Parvato Vanniman Dhumat. Parvata is a Paksha. Vanniman is a Sadhya. Dhuma is a Sadhana. Sadhana or Hetu. Sadhana or Hetu. Okay? Now, Sadhyabhava Adhikarana Nirupita Vrittitva Abhava. Now, you have this, you create a table. First topic in table should be Hetu. Second topic, you can have Sadhya. Third topic, Sadhya Bhava. Fourth, Adhikarana. Nirupita Vritti. Vrittitva Bhava. Hetu, Sadhya, Sadhya Bhava, Adhikarana Nirupita or Adhikarana Nirupita Vritti, Vrittitva Bhava. In this way, you can create a table. Sadhetu here is Parvato Vanniman Dhumat. Sadhya is a, you create it just in a table. I will explain it in detail. You take, you have a table in a separate page. Okay. Now understand this in this way. Sadhya. Sadhya here is, what is that Sadhya here?
Vanni.
Vanni. Sadhya Bhava?
Vanni Abhava.
Sadhya Bhava is Vanni Abhava. Sadhya Bhava is Vanni Abhava. Then Adhikarana? Samudra. Sadhya Bhava Adhikarana is where will be, where can you see the absence of fire? In Samudra, Mahadruda, etc. Samudra. Samudradi. Adhikarana. Nirupita Vritti? Nirupita Vritti. In that Samudra, what exists? Meena, etc. Fish, etc. What is Avritti? What does not exist there?
Dhuma.
Dhuma. Therefore, Dhuma is a Hetu, correct Hetu, it fits the definition. Sadhya Bhava Adhikarana Vrittitvam exists. Therefore, this definition is exists in Sadhetu. Therefore, this definition Sadhya Bhava Adhikarana Nirupita Vrittitva Bhava is correct. Okay? This is Sadhetu. If you want to say Asadhetu, what is Asadhetu? Parvato Vanniman Dhumat is Sadhetu. What will be Asadhetu then? Parvato Dhumavan Vannehe. Asat hetu is Parvato Dhumavan Vanhehe. Sadhya again. Sadhya is a
Dhuma.
Dhuma. Sadhya bhava
Dhuma.
Dhuma bhava. Sadhya bhava. Adhikarana is a Ayogholaka. See, here we want to prove Sadhya is Dhuma. Sadhya bhava means Dhuma bhava. Where does this Dhuma bhava exist? Dhuma bhava exists in the Adhikarana Ayogholaka. Fire, iron ball, hot iron ball. In that there is Dhuma bhava. Sadhya bhava Adhikarana. In that Ayogolaka, Nirupita Vritti is what exists in that?
Vanni.
Fire, Vanni. Vrittitva bhava. Does it exist there? No. Therefore, Sadhetu, it does not fit. Should it fit in the Sadhetu or not? It should not fit in the Sadhetu. If it fits in the Asadhetu, it does not fit in the Asadhetu. If it fits in the Sadhetu, it is a right definition. If it does not fit in the Sadhetu, it is a Avyapti. If it does not fit in the Sadhetu, it is right definition. If it fits in the Sadhetu, it is a Ativyapti. It does not fit in the definition. Therefore, this is Sadhyava Adhikarana Nirupita Vrittitva Bhava is a correct Vyapti definition. Okay? Normally, how it is done in this text is Sadhyava Adhikarana Nirupita Vrittitvam. Then he goes on to say Sadhyava Avachedaka Sambandha Avachana Sadhya Avachedaka Sadhita Avachedaka Sambandha Avachana Sadhita Avachedaka Itara Dharma Anavachana Sadhita Avachedaka Avachana. Then he'll go to Hetu. That is how he says Pradyutaka Avachedaka Sambandha Avachana Pradyutaka Avachedaka Avachana Pradyutaka Avachedaka Itara Dharma Anavachana. Then the Hetu. Hetu Avachedaka Sambandha Avachana Hetu Avachedaka Itara Dharma Anavachana Hetu Avachedaka Avachinna will be the Avachinna Pratyutaka Abhava Vyapti. Will be the definition for Vyapti. This is how they will go. See, here the whole explanation here is based on the Vishaya. Vishaya we have seen has three breaks, three topics. One is a Prakara, Visheshana. Two is the third is a Visheshya. And in between we have Sambandha. Okay. And this any one of them here. Any one of them, Visheshya, Visheshna, any one of them, they will have two Avachhedakas. One is a Sambandha with respect to Sambandha, the other Avachhedaka with respect to Dharma. Sambandha Avachhedaka, Dharma Avachhedaka. That is what we are dealing with now. Okay. Sadhyata, Sadhya Bhava Adhikarana Nirupita Vrittitva Bhava is the Vyapti definition. Now, it fits in the Sadhetu and it does not fit in the Asadhetu. This is what we generally saw in a very simple way in Parakritya. In Parakritya also there is the Sadhya Bhava Abhavat Avrittitva definition. But we didn't see it in a proper fashion because it's very complicated. This is why it is complicated. Sadhya Bhava Abhavat Avrittitvam is the definition. we rephrase it for better understanding. Sadhyabhava adhikarana nirupita. What I translate it as a adhikarana nirupita. Vritti, avritti I translate as vritti abhava. Sadhyabhava adhikarana nirupita vrittitva abhava. Okay, this is general form and it fits both sadhetu and asadhetu. There is no trouble. It fits in sadhetu and it doesn't fit in the asadhetu. Therefore, the vyapti definition is okay, good. But there are other places where it does not fit properly. Where same sadhetu, we'll take the same sadhetu. Parvato Vanniman Dhumat. Parvato Vanniman Dhumat. In the same sadhetu with sambandha as the avachedaka, it does not fit. If you don't say the sambandha proper, it does not fit, because in the fire, in the mountain there is fire. The sambandha between mountain and fire, paksha and sadhya, is a sanyoga. Sanyogena asti samavayena nasti. We have seen this 100 times. The fire exists in sanyoga sambandha, but the fire does not exist in samavaya sambandha. You have to specify the sambandha also in any definition. We have seen this. Visheshana, sambandha, visheshya. You have to specify the sambandha. If you don't specify the sambandha, there will be error in the definition. So, I am going to add a sambandha to this. See, sadhya. Now, this same sadhetu with the sambandha. Sadhya. Now the sadhya is a vanni. Same. Sadhya is a vanni. Samavayana sadhya adhikarana. Samavayana sadhya adhikarana is a vanni avayava. Sadhya bhava is a vanni abhava. For that, adhikarana is a parvata. Adhikarana is parvata nishtha. Tan nirupita dharma is a dhuma. Avritti, vrittitva abhava. Vrittitva abhava does not exist. Samavayena sadhya adhikarane vanni avayave. Therefore, the definition does not fit in the sadhetu sthala. So what we have to do is we have to add a sambandha. Sanyoga sambandha avachina. Instead of sanyoga sambandha avachina, we just add a sadhyata avachedaka sambandha avachina. So sambandha avachina. Sadhyata avachedaka sambandha avachina pratiyogitaka. Pratiyogi yasya is a pratiyogitaka. So we add to this definition for sadhya bhava, we had this visheshana. Sadhya bhava. For sadhya bhava, I add a visheshana. This is visheshya. I add a visheshana. What? Sadhyata vachedaka sambandha sadhyata avachedaka sambandha avachina pratiyogitaka. ಸಾಧ್ಯತಾವಚ್ಚನ ಸಂಬಂಧಾವಚ್ಚನ ಪ್ರತಿಯುಕ್ತಾಗ ಸಾಧ್ಯಾಭಾವ ಅಧಿಕರಣ ನಿರೂಪಿತ ವೃತ್ತಿತ್ವ ಅಭಾವ is the definition now. The form of the definition is ಸಾಧ್ಯತಾವಚ್ಚನ ಸಂಬಂಧಾವಚ್ಚನ ಪ್ರತಿಯುಕ್ತಾಗ ಸಾಧ್ಯಾಭಾವ ನಿರೂಪಿತ ಅಧಿಕರಣ ನಿರೂಪಿತ ವೃತ್ತಿತ್ವ ಅಭಾವ. We'll see there will be error here also. We'll see this. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.